Hey, good Sunday morning, YouTube. Hugmeister's Garage and Workshop back over across the road. Made our run to Lowe's this morning. Bought a material for trying to finish up the rest of these here wood racks. And I went over there yesterday and I wasn't too happy. Usually this stuff's ready in an hour. I waited 3 hours. I got over there, still nobody moved it, so I canceled it. Grabbed something else. I ended up going back this morning, but they got problems over there. But this is going to end up giving us, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 full cords stacked. And we're still going to have room for another small one. Almost, or no, 9 full cords when I fill that one. So we're going to have plenty of firewood this year. And by the time I get that extra cut up, I should have everything filled. But I got 3 1/3 probably filled so far, and I've touched every piece of that stuff. So I get to try out my new pass load framing gun. I used it up on the hill last night and I put some new fascia on the shed up there, but that thing's pretty slick, so we'll see how we make out with that. All right, we're getting there. I haven't even had to run that truck yet. It's been doing all the cuts. So that's working out pretty awesome, that 1600 watt inverter I put in there. But these things laid out where there's 3 16-footers and they're kind of slowly following the contour where the joints were. So we just nailed the heck out of it. And there's our verticals. Still gives me my 16-foot split, so I know that's where a little over a cord fits in each section. But I got to go through and make my cross supports now for those, and hopefully we'll finish this up before the rain. Well, there we go. That's a wrap on that. Just got it raked out. Got the low spots shored up, but turned out pretty nice. They say I got those 2x8 dividers where the 16-footers are, so that keeps my spacing. So each section gives me 132 cubic feet, which is just over a full cord. So I can get almost 10 full cords in here now. I don't know what to do with that space. I'll have to, maybe I'll put a little storage shed there or something, now that I got nail gun fever. But there you go. Now, unfortunately, this old guy's got to go back and start cutting all that. But we'll get her. Have a good one, YouTube.